Hi, today we're going to be talking about phylogenetic trees using an example I've come up with about differences in baked goods. So we're going to start off with some definitions, and as we go along, I'll explain why I made my tree the way I did. Alrighty, so as you can see, my tree is a rooted tree because there's a single lineage in which all of my baked goods are related to, which is this right here. Now, I don't specifically state what that organism is. This is actually the title right here, but you can see from this line, like, this is the first ancestor. Now, angiogenesis right here is the vertical line. Actually, it's like all the vertical lines. And it's where evolution is taking place, but it's still between one species. While cladiogenesis is all of the horizontal lines, and it's at the point in time where one species will split into two because of all of the evolutionary differences that have occurred. For example, this could be between like cupcakes and banana bread. Alrighty, so OTUs, for all intents and purposes, in this example are going to be like the different species. So it would be like cupcakes and cakes would be an OTU, while banana bread would be an OTU. All of these are OTUs. Internal nodes is where a lineage will split into two. So that could be here, here, all of these are internal nodes. A most recent common ancestor is the closest organism in which all the organisms of the set are related to. And then an outgroup is a distantly related individual that will serve as like a reference group. So in our example, that would be like pudding, because while pudding is a baked good, it can also be sweet or savory, but it's still liquid. It's still like semi like solid, but also like not. And then the rest of the individuals are all solid. Oops, let's go back here. Alrighty, so as you know, all of this is liquid yet semi-solid. These are all solid goods. And then they're separated further into sweet or savory. And then from here, it's basically on like the consistency. So brownies are fudgy. They're like solid, but also like not. And then cookies are solid, but they're also crumbly, while cupcakes and banana bread are like a denser, harder bread. Now for here, crackers are solid as well, but they're also fragile. They break really easily. And then white bread is solid bread, but it also can crumble, like it's easily like broken apart as well. And then pizza crust and bagels are like dense bread. Like you're gonna have to bite into that if you want to break it apart. Thank you. Here's my citations.